Okay, I have an acrylic pour I did just recently, and I'm going to embellish it. I'm using all deco art. The colors I'll be using is titanium white, lamp black. This is extreme sheen gold, 24 karat gold, and then I have it with the ultra fine tip writer, which is what I'll do the final lines and details with. Copper, sapphire, extreme sheen, deep sapphire, extreme sheen, dazzling metallics, festive green, crystal green, peacock pearl, teal. They're very close, but there is a little bit of a difference, and purple pearl. And they also have one called amethyst, which is really about the same. So this is what I had done on a previous pour a year or so ago, and so I've done me a new acrylic pour, and this will be what I'm basing my design off again. I'm going to use some metal leaf adhesive and actual gold leaf sheets to do the moon, and then the tail feathers will be a little bit of some oil-based metallic gold, and then I'll go over it with the dimensional acrylic paint with the fine tip writer for those final three-dimensional details. So I hope you enjoy watching. I'm going to sketch in the body of the bird, do the moon shape, and then while the adhesive is drying, I'll be base coating in the peacock's body with white, so that all my colors on top of it will be nice and bright and vivid in color. I decided this is a more interesting and colorful background, and that's what you mostly see around the body of the peacock, and I decided to leave this as the part that will be the peacock here, so that you'll get some pretty colors. Because if I turn it around, the peacock, the moon would be about right here, and then the peacock body and all would take up all this right here, and this would be kind of a neutral looking background. So I just like the vividness of the color, and the final picture when it's dry and clear coated and everything, that'll show the true colors. Right now I've got all my lights on the table so that it's brighter while I paint, and you probably cannot see the true color. If I angle it, you can kind of see how vivid it is, but when you put it straight out, you know, there's that sheen from the lights. So just taking note of that, but the rest is going to be fast speed because it'll take me hours to do this. So enjoy. Okay, that's just multiple coats of gesso. It's been about 30 minutes on the adhesive, so I'm going to put the gold leaf on. I just mentioned the metallic colors earlier, so now I'm going to mention the regular colors. Primary yellow, citron green, sour apple, Laguna, true blue, Prussian blue, dioxazine purple. Lots of colors.